There's a reason why some Japanese taxi engines have been known to travel 500,000 miles or more with remarkably few major repairs. It isn't luck. It isn't magic. And it certainly isn't because Japanese engines are made from some mysterious metal. The real answer begins with a habit that costs about $2, a habit so simple that most modern drivers ignore it completely. Yet generations of experienced Japanese mechanics treated it as one of the most important parts of engine maintenance. Today, millions of people spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on engine additives, cleaners, and expensive repair bills. But decades ago, many mechanics believed that preventing wear was far more important than fixing damage. That philosophy helped build Japan's reputation for reliable automobiles. Companies like Toyota, Honda, Nissan, and Mazda became famous around the world for producing vehicles that could remain dependable for hundreds of thousands of miles. Many people believed the secret was better engineering, better manufacturing, or better materials. Those things certainly played an important role. But mechanics inside Japan often focused on something much simpler: maintenance habits. Small routines repeated over thousands of days, because they understood one simple truth. An engine rarely fails overnight. It slowly wears out. Every time you start your car, thousands of metal parts begin moving almost instantly. Pistons race up and down inside the cylinders. Bearings rotate thousands of times every minute. Valves open and close at incredible speed. Without proper lubrication, those parts slowly grind against each other. The damage is almost invisible, but over months and years, tiny amounts of wear begin to add up. Japanese mechanics understood this long before most drivers ever thought about it. Instead of asking, "How do I repair an engine?" they asked, "How do I stop the damage before it starts?" That small change in thinking transformed the way they maintained vehicles. The habit itself wasn't expensive, it didn't require advanced tools, it didn't require special training. In fact, almost anyone could do it. Yet, surprisingly, few people actually did. The story began after World War II. Japan faced severe shortages of raw materials. Buying a new car wasn't easy. Replacing an engine was even more difficult. Mechanics had to make every vehicle last as long as possible. Every drop of oil mattered. Every inspection mattered. Every maintenance routine mattered. Instead of replacing parts early, they focused on reducing wear. Protecting engines became more important than repairing them. Over time, these habits became deeply rooted inside Japanese workshops. Experienced mechanics passed them down to apprentices. Fleet operators followed strict maintenance schedules. Taxi companies learned that small routine checks could save enormous amounts of money over the life of a vehicle. Some taxis stayed in service for decades, not because they were indestructible, because they were consistently maintained. Modern engineering supports much of this philosophy. Researchers studying friction and lubrication continue to show that clean oil, stable operating temperatures, and regular inspections dramatically reduce mechanical wear. The science has changed very little, only the technology has improved. Yet, somewhere along the way, many drivers stopped paying attention to the basics. Dashboard warning lights replaced routine inspections. Quick oil changes replaced careful maintenance habits. Convenience slowly replaced mechanical understanding. And the forgotten $2 habit quietly disappeared from everyday driving. But what exactly was this mysterious habit? Was it a special Japanese oil? A hidden additive? Or something almost every driver already owns? The answer might surprise you, because it has been sitting inside your garage all along. So, what exactly was this $2 Japanese habit? It wasn't a magic liquid. It wasn't an expensive engine treatment. And despite what many advertisements claim, it wasn't a miracle additive that could instantly repair worn-out engines. The real habit was much simpler. Experienced Japanese mechanics believed that fresh, clean engine oil and checking it regularly was the cheapest insurance an engine could ever have. They didn't wait for the engine to sound rough. They didn't wait for a warning light, and they certainly didn't assume the oil was still good just because the car was running. Instead, they checked it, frequently. In many Japanese repair shops, checking the oil level became part of every routine inspection. It took less than 2 minutes, but those 2 minutes could prevent years of unnecessary engine wear. That's why many mechanics called it the most valuable maintenance habit a driver could learn. To understand why, we need to look inside the engine. Every second your engine is running, thousands of metal surfaces are moving against one another. Pistons travel up and down hundreds of times every minute. Bearings spin continuously. The crankshaft rotates thousands of revolutions every minute. Without lubrication, those metal parts would quickly destroy themselves. Engine oil creates a microscopic protective film between those moving surfaces. That film prevents direct metal-to-metal contact. It also carries away heat, suspends contaminants, protects against corrosion, and helps keep the engine clean. But here's what many drivers don't realize. Engine oil doesn't last forever. Every mile slowly changes it. High temperatures break down its protective properties. Tiny particles of carbon begin to build up. Microscopic metal fragments enter the oil as normal engine wear occurs. Moisture can also contaminate the lubricant during repeated short trips. Little by little, the oil becomes less effective. The engine may still sound perfectly normal, but internally, protection is slowly decreasing. Japanese mechanics understood this decades before most drivers ever thought about it. Instead of asking, "Does the engine still run?" they asked, "Is the oil still protecting it properly?" That small difference changed everything. Another forgotten habit involved warming the engine correctly. Many people believe they should start the engine and immediately accelerate hard. Experienced mechanics avoided this whenever possible. Cold oil is thicker. It takes a short time to circulate through every lubrication passage inside the engine. Driving gently during the first few minutes allows that protective oil film to fully develop. It's a simple habit, but repeated thousands of times over the life of a vehicle, it can significantly reduce unnecessary wear. Japanese fleet operators understood this very well. Taxi companies couldn't afford unexpected breakdowns. Delivery vehicles couldn't sit in repair shops every month. Reliability wasn't just convenient, it was profitable. That's why maintenance schedules were followed with remarkable discipline. Oil changes happened on time, filters were replaced regularly, fluid levels were checked constantly, small leaks were repaired before becoming major failures. Nothing was left until the last minute. Modern engineering fully supports this approach. Researchers studying tribology, the science of friction, lubrication, and wear, continue to show that proper lubrication is one of the biggest factors affecting engine life. Reducing friction means reducing wear. Reducing wear means extending component life. The science is surprisingly simple, yet many drivers ignore it. Some people spend hundreds of dollars on expensive engine treatments while forgetting to perform the most basic maintenance. Others delay oil changes because the car still feels fine. Unfortunately, engine wear rarely announces itself immediately. It happens quietly, slowly, almost invisibly. By the time unusual noises appear, damage has often been developing for months. That's exactly why experienced Japanese mechanics focused on prevention instead of repair. They knew that maintaining an engine was always cheaper than rebuilding one. But there was one more habit they believed was just as important as fresh oil. In fact, many veteran mechanics considered it the difference between an engine lasting 150,000 miles and one lasting 500,000 miles. And surprisingly, it had nothing to do with the oil itself. It had everything to do with how the driver treated the engine every single day. So, what was the final piece of the puzzle? It wasn't hidden inside a special bottle. It wasn't a secret Japanese chemical. And it certainly wasn't a miracle additive that could make any engine last forever. The real secret was discipline. Japanese mechanics believed that an engine should never be treated harshly. Every cold start, every long drive, every oil change, every inspection, all of them mattered. One habit stood above the rest. They never ignored small warning signs. A tiny oil leak, a faint ticking sound, a slightly rough idle, a loose belt, a dirty air filter. Most drivers would continue driving for weeks. Experienced mechanics investigated the problem immediately because they knew one simple truth. Small problems almost always become expensive ones. Another habit was keeping the engine clean, not because they wanted it to look shiny, because a clean engine makes problems easier to spot. Oil leaks become visible, coolant stains appear sooner, cracked hoses are easier to notice. Loose connections don't stay hidden beneath layers of dirt. 5 minutes of cleaning could reveal a repair that might save thousands of dollars later. Japanese fleet operators followed the same philosophy. Every vehicle returned to the garage for regular inspections. Oil levels were checked, coolant was inspected, belts were examined, filters were replaced when necessary. Nothing was left to chance. That routine saved companies millions of dollars over time. Drivers often believe engine life depends only on what oil they buy. But experienced mechanics knew something different. The best oil in the world cannot protect an engine that is abused. Aggressive acceleration before the engine warms up, ignoring low oil levels, skipping maintenance, driving while overheating, these habits slowly shorten engine life. On the other hand, gentle driving during warm-up, regular oil and filter changes, checking fluid levels, fixing small leaks early, listening for unusual sounds. Those simple habits can dramatically reduce long-term wear. Modern engineering supports this idea. Studies on engine lubrication and mechanical wear consistently show that preventive maintenance helps reduce friction, improve reliability, and extend the life of engine components. The science hasn't changed, only our habits have. Today, many people wait for a warning light before opening the hood. Old mechanics opened the hood before there was ever a warning. That single difference explains why so many older vehicles survived for decades. Take Japan's famous taxi fleets as an example. Many taxis remained in daily service for hundreds of thousands of miles, not because every engine was perfect, but because maintenance was never delayed. Every inspection mattered. Every oil change mattered. Every small repair mattered. The mechanics understood something many drivers forget. Engines rarely fail without giving warnings. They whisper first, a tiny vibration, a small leak, a different sound, a slight drop in performance. If those warnings are ignored, repairs become expensive. If they're addressed early, The engine often keeps running for many more years. So, did a $2 Japanese oil habit really keep engines alive for 500,000 miles? Not by itself. The oil was only one part of the story. The real secret was the habit that surrounded it, checking the oil regularly, changing it on time, replacing the filter, watching engine temperature, driving with patience, inspecting small problems before they became major failures. Those habits cost almost nothing. But over hundreds of thousands of miles, they could make an enormous difference. Perhaps that's why old mechanics smiled whenever someone asked for the secret. They knew there wasn't one magic product. There wasn't one miracle trick. There was only knowledge. Knowledge repeated every week, every month, every year. That knowledge protected engines long before modern technology arrived. And even today, it remains one of the most valuable lessons any driver can learn. If you enjoyed uncovering this forgotten piece of automotive history, subscribe to Mechanic Secrets Lab. Every week, we explore hidden garage wisdom, classic engineering techniques, and forgotten maintenance secrets that helped machines survive for generations. Because sometimes the greatest secret isn't a new invention, it's an old habit that the modern world almost forgot.